Happy morning, students. Welcome to Grade 1, Day 2, English Reading and Writing class. Children, take your English course book, page number 8. We shall practice how to read blends. First, listen carefully, children. I will read once and then you can repeat along with me. Look at the title, blends. B-L-E-N-D-S, blends. B-L-E-N-D-S, blends. Again pronounce it, children, blends. Blends. When a sequence of two or more consonants together produce a desired sound, they are called blends. Now repeat along with me, children. Read louder, pronounce it properly. When, W-H-E-N, when a sequence, S-E-Q-U-E-N-C-E, when a sequence of two, T-W-O, two, R-O-R-R, more, M-O-R-E, more. When a sequence of two or more consonants, C-O-N-S-O-N-A-N-T-S, consonants, C-O-N-S-O-N-A-N-T-S, consonants, together, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together, produce, P-R-O-D-U-C-E, produce, a desired, D-E-S-I-R-E-D, desired, produce a desired, D-E-S-I-R-E-D, desired sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound. They, T-H-E-Y, they are, A-R-E-R, called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, blends, B-L, that is E-N-D-S, blends. When a sequence of two or more consonants together produce a desired sound, they are called blends. Blends. Now look at the title, children. Phonic drill with initial blends. Phonic, P-H-O-N-I-C, phonic, phonic, P-H-O-N-I-C, phonic drill, D-R-I-L-L, drill, drill, phonic drill with, W-I-T-H, with, phonic drill with initial, I-N-I-T-I-A-L, initial blends, B-L-E-N-D-S, blends. Phonic drill with initial blends. Again read, children. Phonic drill with initial blends. Look at the first one, children. B-L, B-L. The sound is B-L. B, the letter B is there and the letter L is there. You have to pronounce the letter B as B. B-L, L, B-L, B-L. Black, B-L, B-L, black. That is B-L. The red color letters B-L, ak, black. Pronounce it, children. Black, B-L, ak, black. Look at the next one. B-L, ast, blast. B-L, ast, blast. B-L, ast, blast. Next one. B-L, ok. B-L, ok, block. Again read this, children. B-L, black. B-L, blast. B-L, block. Read like this, children. B-L, ak, black. B-L, ast, blast. B-L, ok, block. Now come to the next one, children. K-L, K-L. The letter C should pronounce as K. K-L, 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 as, class. K-L, as, class. K-L, as. K-L, click, click. K-L, arc, clock. K-L, arc, clock. K-L, class, click, click. K-L, clock. K-L, class, click, click. clock. Class, click, clock. Look at the next one. The letter F should produce sound as the sound only. Sound. Flag, flag. Flow, 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 flow. Float, float, float. Flag, flow, float. Again read this, children. Flag, flow, float. Flag, flow, float. Look at the next one. The letter G should pronounce as G, 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 L, G, L. Glide, glide, G, L, glide. Globe, 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 globe. Next one, Gl, Glo, glow, Glo, glow, Gl, glide, Gl, globe, Gl, glow, Gl, glide, Gl, globe, Gl, glow, Gl, glide, globe, glow. Look at the next one, children. P. The letter P should sound as P. P-L, P-L, plate, P-L-8, plate. P-L-A, play, play. P-L is, P-L-P-Is, please. Again, read this, children. P-L-8, P-L-8, plate. Next one, P-L-A, P-L-A, play. Please, please. Plate, play, play. Please, please. Plate, play, please. Plate, play, please. Now look at the next letters, children. Slate. The letter S should give the sound as sound only. Slate, 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 slip, slip. The next one, slow, 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 slate, slip, slow, slate, slip, slow, slate, slip, slow. Again read this, children. Slate, slip, slow, slate, slip, slow, slate, slip, slow, slate, slip, slow. Again read this, children. Slate, slate, slip, slow, slate, slip, slow. So practice this page, children. That is page number 8. Practice the sounds. Children, take your handwriting book. That is page number 1. We have completed the strokes, that is slanting line, in the last class. Now mention the date. Mention the date, that is 6/8/2021. Look at this, children. This is the stroke. See, you have to first do the tracing. Before that, you have to take your scale pencil and draw the line like this. Then only you can draw the perfect strokes. Listen, children. In each strokes, you have to draw the line like this. First, you have to do this. Then only your handwriting will be in the correct order. See, start from here, do the tracing, children. Start from here, touch this point, and along with this dotted line, you have to touch it here. See, this is very important. Look at the next one. There must be little slant here, and it should go above. Again, look at me. It should start from here, and it should go above. See, likewise, you have to do the tracing. Start from here, and it should go above. It should touch this line. Should not stop. We should touch this line. Likewise, you have to do the tracing, children. First, you have to draw the line like this. That is the in between each letters you have to draw the line. Then only you have to do this tracing. After completing the tracing, you have to start by the next line. See this, you have to start from this third line. Like slight bend must be there and it should go above like this, like a tick mark. How you should do the tick mark? The same is slight bending and it should go above. Slight bending, it should go above. See, likewise you have to practice this two line. Slight bending and it should go above. See, likewise you have to do this practice. See, again the next line, slight bending, touch the line. Again slide, we should not put like a straight tick mark. Just a slight bend must be there and it should touch the above line. See, likewise you have to practice it, children. See, bend here and it will touch this. Again second line. Start from the third line and it should go above this line. The next page, children, look at this, how we have done in the first page, the same way. Look at this tracing, children. Start from here and go and touch here. Up to this we have completed in the previous page. See, here it must be, you have to do the bend here. Look at this, this is the difference between the first page and the second page. See, start from here, go and touch here and again you have to bend like this. See, here also you have to draw the lines, children. This is very important. Before starting you have to draw the line like this, then only you have to start here. See, start from here, go above and bend. Again start from here, go above. Start from here, go above and bend. See, likewise you have to draw your tracing. So tracing is very important, children. Start from here, go above and you should bend. See, like this you have to draw your tracing. See, look at me, children. See, like this you have to do the tracing. See, after completing this tracing line, you have to go and do a slight bend must be there. See, likewise you have to practice it. Look at me, children, how I am writing. The same way you have to draw. See, start from the, you have to start from this third line, touch this second line and again you should come down. See, like start from this third line and again you should come down. See, the same way you have to do it here and bend. See, likewise you have to practice it. Look at this, children. Likewise you have to practice it well. So children, take page number 8 in your English course book. Practice the page number 8, blend sounds, that is the initial blends. Read louder, pronounce it properly, open your mouth and read louder. After finishing your reading practice, take your handwriting book, that is page number 1. And then page number 2, 3 lines, you have to write it neatly, mention the date, sharpen your pencil. After completing your handwriting, take a photocopy and send it to me. Thank you.